Hi students, this is Kameswari from Nalla Narasimha Education Society group of institutions. My subject, Watershed Management. So today we are going to discuss about enriching damaged soils. The today's topic, enriching damaged soils. So first of all, what is definition of enriching damaged soils? That means the fertility of the soil is maintained by the presence of vegetation that forms a protective cover over the soil. The nutrient cycle helps to maintain the fertility of the soil. Water helps the nutrients to enter the soil, and the plant roots absorbs the nutrients present in the soil. When the leaves falls, the insects, other decompose the leaves and return the nutrients to the soil. So different enrichment we are seeing now. So soil enrichment can be accomplished the following, that are the first one is mulching. Here mulches are divided into two types, classified into two types, organic mulches and inorganic mulches. In this method, organic mulches is applied to the soil surface to conserve soil moisture, prevent surface compaction, reduce runoff, and also erosion of top soil. Why? Because of mulching means organic mulches. Here you can include the wood chips, different types of crops, so that crop root holds the soil. So that's why prevent the surface compaction and also reduce the runoff losses. And control of weeds and different mulches are organic mulches and inorganic mulches. What is meant by organic mulches? That includes the wood chips, shavings, crushed corn cobs, leaves, manure, newspaper, peat, and raw wood fibers, etc. That comes under, these are the different organic mulches. Comes to inorganic mulches. That includes clay aggregates, fabrics, recycled rubber ties, gravel, etc. What are the mulches? Mulches are two types, inorganic mulches and also organic mulches. What is the purpose of mulching? Here, organic mulches applies to the soil surface to conserve the soil moisture. So that means to reduce the runoff and also erosion of the soil. And control of weeds, insulate the soil, add nutrients to soil and encourage the growth of beneficial soil flora and fauna. Comes to next one, green manuring. So here growing manure crops. What are the different green manuring crops? That is examples: wheat, radish, carrot, and beans, etc. These are examples of the growing of green manure crops to cover the bare land or soil. The growth of weeds and their roots prevent soil erosion. The growth of weeds and their roots prevent the soil erosion. Already you can know that this point. And the soil surface is protected from compaction by rainwater. So these plants encourage the growing of beneficial insects. Okay. Green covering, what are the different types of green manding? Wheat, radish, carrot, beans, different types. So what's the purpose of this green manding is to protect the soil, that growing of weeds and their roots prevent the soil erosion. And cover cropping. Cover cropping. What's that cover cropping? Generally, in watershed management, we are discussed repeatedly the overall land covered by using crops. Due to that, reduce the soil erosion and also increase the crop growing, increase the infiltrations. So, live green leguminous have been used successfully as a cover crops. What are the leguminous crops? They helps to control growing of weeds, improve the soil organic matter and nutrients status, prevent soil erosion and do not complete with the crop for resources. What is that? They helps to control growing of weeds, improve the soil organic matter and also nutrient status, prevent the soil erosion and do not compete with the crop of resources. So this is the definition of cover cropping. Now next we can discuss another point, that is composting. Here the advantages of composting are easy cultivation of soil and also prevent soil erosion by keeping the soil covered and also supplies essential nutrients to the growing plants. What's that? Easy cultivation of soil, prevent soil erosion by keeping the soil covered. So here composting is a biological process. It is a biological process wherein the biodegradable organic matter undergoes aerobic decomposition by aerobic microorganisms and to form compost, and also the biodegradable organic materials suitable for composting are sawdust, wood scrapping, dried straws, and also dried leaves, grass clippings, weeds, etc., and also fruits and vegetable scrapping and petroleum hydrocarbons. Compost is very rich in nutrients, especially carbon and nitrogen, and can be used as organic fertilizers for growing plants. This is the composting. What's that? Wherein biodegradable organic matters, aerobic decomposition by aerobic microorganisms, ants, and also biodegradable organic matters suitable for composting the sawdust, wood scrapings, straws, leaves, and also fruits, vegetables, and petroleum hydrocarbons. Compost is very rich in nutrients. So especially carbon and the nutrients can be helped for organic fertilizers for growing the plants. So for that compost is used for growing the plants. So easy cultivation of soil, prevent soil erosion by keeping the soil covered, and also supplies essential nutrients to the growing plants.